Hey explorers, this is me Isha and you all are watching Explore with Isha. This is my super stylish silver bag. Isha explored a lot. I went on a 10 days trip to Coimbatore, Kotagiri and Ooty. So stay tuned, lots and lots of travel content is coming up. I will show you my bag which has 3 locks. This is the first lock and this is the second number lock and this is the third. This comes with two keys. These are the keys to the side locks which I showed you guys just now. This is how it opens up, and security wise, safety wise, this bag is just perfect. It has ample of storage space, huge enough, which carries a lot of stuff. This video is going to be pack with me for a long vacation kind of video. I'll show you what all I carried. The products which I am going to show you, the prices will be mentioned there on the screen. The first is the airport look peach ribbed cord set from the brand Must and Harbor. I paired this with my white sneakers from the brand Shootopia. I am in the size 4. This is my CK Calvin Klein watch which goes on every outfit. This printed cotton straight kurta is from Ode by House of Patodi. I just love the print of this kurta. I paired this with my white palazzos from Vero Moda and I am in the size 36. There goes my first outfit into the bag. I accessorized this with these silver jhumkas. I got it from FC Road, Pune at an unbelievable price. I got them just for rupees 50. Can you guys believe this? Along with this, I got myself this super cute silver nose ring for around 20 or 30 rupees. This was for 20 or 30 rupees. Next is this red regular top from the brand In Weave. I just love the elephant print on it. You don't get to see such printed tops, and paired this with my white Zara jeans. There goes my second outfit into the bag. This is an Indo-Western kind of look. So I accessorized this with this diamond nose pin. This was for rupees 40. These jhumkas, these were for 50 rupees. I got them again from FC Road, Pune. And next up is this purple knitted crop top from Tokyo Talkies. It's a spaghetti kind of top, and I used this shawl of my nani which I borrowed from her as a cover up because it matched my crop top. This blue denim jeans is from Zara and I am in the size 36. I never forget my Philips straightener. It's always with me. This rustic orange crop top is from Dressberry. Next up is this powder blue full sleeved top that I got from Misho. This oversized typographic printed cotton t-shirt is from Moda Rapido and I just bought it for the influencer that's written on it. This denim skirt is an old one from H&M, and this denim jacket is also an old one from Dressberry. This is my favorite pair of jeans from the brand Akachi. I got it from Amazon, and this is a boot cut kind of jeans. I am in the size 26. These are comfy pair of joggers from the brand Jockey. I never forget my Livon serum. This is my brown color sling bag from Steve Madden. My maternal uncle got from Dubai for me. Again, this is a bag in which I'm going to keep my basic stuff like towel, napkins, and moisturizer, toothbrush, etc. Now let's go to the shoes section. These juttis orange color, I got it from Chandigarh around 2 to 3 years back for 400 rupees. These white heels stilettos are from the brand Shuotopia. And what I love about these heels is that this pretty and beautiful diamond it has, which makes it a statement piece. These heels I wore on my college farewell, and these I got from Jangli Maharaj Road, Pune, on a sale. These are some extra pair of white sneakers which I am going to carry just in case. These are from the brand HRX, Hrithik Roshan brand, and these pair of slip-ons or sandals, you can say, I got it from Bata. I just love that bow detailing that it has. Now I am all set for the 10 days trip. I hope you guys love this video, and all the stuff is from Myntra. I will see you guys in the Coimbatore vlog. Till then, bye bye.